Hello everyone, got my generator here. Got about, half a tank of fuel. You can see the gauge there. So, still have some diesel left. And let's see how nicely she fires up. On. Try that again. It worked fine, but I kind of want to see the smoke. So this is the one that I had to completely rewire the backboard. So yes, it has Wagos, but whatever, I don't care. It's all analog now. And I actually had to do a lot of rewiring inside of here too, but everything's working as it should. Nice little thing. I don't have a thing I need to pull here to start anymore. Got this electromagnet working. It's a nice little generator.